back to the channel. I hope everybody is having a good day. Today we have another wrap video. Let me show you what we have going on, what's the plan. I'll give you guys some details. For today we have a Dodge Ram pickup truck, extended bed, crew cab, white color. Let me give you guys a quick walk around, then tell you what we're going to be doing to this truck. So we're not going to be doing a full wrap. The customer wants the bottom half of the truck wrapped, plus the front and rear bumper, and he got some aftermarket fender flares to match. The color we're going to be doing gold metallic wrap. I'll show you guys that in a minute. So this is going to be our line right here, starting here all the way to the bottom, all the way to the back, plus the flares, and continuing here on the bumper. We have the bumper ready. We're just going to do a prep. That's the rear bumper right there. This is the vinyl we're going to be working with. It's from Avery Brown metallic finish. Alright, so there you have it. As always, I'm going to start by prepping the surface, wiping it down, prepping the bumpers and the flares, and laying down our knifeless tape all along the side, bottom and top. I'm going to be laying down knifeless tape on the top line and the bottom actually, because I don't want to do any cutting on the body, so we won't leave any scratches on the paint. Just in case the customer decides to remove the wrap for any reason in the future, he's not going to find any damage or any scratches on his paint. So yeah, let's do this, and I'll show you guys as much details as possible. Before we start laying down the vinyl, we have to take care of the surface. I'm getting as close as possible here. See this grime here and dirt splashing from the tires right here, very sticky stuff. I had to take care of this before I start laying down the vinyl, because believe it or not, this stuff will show from under the vinyl. It will look embossed, and we don't want that. And for things like that, the rubbing alcohol is not going to do it. It's not going to do the job, so I'm going to use some special solution to remove this without harming the surface, the paint. And on the other side, we have some imperfections in the paint. I have to clean this up as much as possible, all the way down right here. We have a couple of chips here, so yeah, clean these off and then wipe down the whole surface with rubbing alcohol and start laying down the knifeless tape. Let me give you guys a quick update. Driver's side is done. The lines came out very clean. All we need to do is post heat some of the corners, make sure the vinyl doesn't pull back. Very crisp cuts. Now we move on to the other side. Okay guys, so time for the reveal. Here we go.